Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use animated cursors on Windows in 2025. This method is super easy, completely safe and works on any Windows PC. So let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome and search VC cursors and press enter. Make sure you click the official website. Once you are on the site, browse through the cursors pack and download the one you like. I'm gonna download this. Select the download option and cursor.ani, select it and it will be download. And same thing for pointer.cur. And after getting both downloaded, just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select mouse. Go to pointers tab. Select the normal select and select browse option. And you just need to go to downloads folder. Here are the two icons we downloaded. Select the animated cursor and select open option. And then scroll down. Select the link select and select browse option. And now select cursor and then select open option. And select apply and OK for save changes. Your new animated cursor is now active on your Windows PC. As you can see, just dragging to anyone else, it's gonna be like normal. And when you select any of these options, that it will be changed to another icon. That's how you can use animated cursors on Windows in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.